Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today's it's warmed up. It's about 48 degrees. The sun is out. The goats are out here playing. Can't wait to get them down in the field. See how they're digging the snow mound there. Oh, I got the hay loaded up. Had Charlie pick up some yesterday. He dropped it off here in the driveway. He can't get the truck in the backyard without sinking. So it's dry enough to kind of take the golf cart on the lane. It's a little bit wet, but this is not sinking anymore. Well, I got the hay down here. I've Odo carried over to the barn since he's younger. He's got a better back than me. The pigs are happy to see me. Want food. You hear Harold. He heard that golf cart coming, so he started yelling and screaming. That's Harold. Feed me, feed me. Shouldn't you eating the fats there? Not good. Well, Odo moved the hay for me, and I went ahead and fed the pigs. So they got their grain and their hay, and they should be happy for now. Petunia and one baby over here. I'm glad to see Petunia eating the alfalfa. She really likes her grain. Harold's over here with the rest of Petunia's babies. And he's digging through the hay there, trying to get the grain that fell through. You'd rather have grain than alfalfa. Well, the chickens and the ducks, they're happy. I want to see if I can't get someone to wade through this mud and go get those eggs that's in there. Well, since I got the cart down here, I want to take up the trash. These are grain bags full of grain bags. You know, that's a lot of money that was in those bags. But anyway, just got to go to the truck so I can go to the dump. Odo's over here working on the Ford 650. Let me get it running here. Yeah, Odo got this as a project tractor, and it was all in pieces, and he's been putting it back together, and there's a few parts missing. There's Sally riding along with me. Shelby wants to have her jump off and play with her because she thinks Sally's getting all the attention. Sally's just hanging out. Here me and Sally going down to the barn. Give the pigs some eggs. Okay, guys, I got you some egg treats. I'll try to give them the eggs. Hey, look at it. I'll throw them out there. Ew. Yeah. Whoop, she messed it. Here, Penelope. Ugh. That's so gross. Here, want another one? Watch out. Wash my fingers. Oh, I lost it again. They're slippery. Ew. Yeah, I'm afraid of getting bit. One more. Alright, let's see if we can do one more. Ready to step on the other egg. Alright, that gives them the inside. Pig some eggs too. Well, you got your water dish covered up. Got it. I sure like those eggs. Dog's looking for the mice. Okay, Penelope. Want another one? Come here. Oop, dang it. I dropped both of them. Here. Okay. Eee. One more. Ooh. Okay. That was fun. That was a little scary too, about my fingers being right there. The Labradoodle clean up the mess, and the little piglets try to get the eggs too. I stepped on one I dropped. Well, all the animals got their snack. I also had some other vegetables that I threw in with the pigs. So, anyway, it's been a pretty good day. It's really clouding up now, and then it's dropped in temperature. I do appreciate you guys watching. Have a great evening.